Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your car audio sounds flat, muddy, or just never loud enough no matter how much you adjust your head unit, then today's video is going to change everything. What you're missing is the right equalizer, and in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best car audio equalizers that can transform your sound instantly with deeper bass, cleaner vocals, and sharper highs, no matter what system you're running. And trust me, number 1 on this list is a game changer that most people overlook, so make sure you stay until the end to see why it stands out. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss more powerful car audio reviews like this. Also, check the links in the description for the best deals on all the equalizers featured in this video because prices change fast. And while you're here, drop a comment and tell me what kind of sound setup you're currently running. I love hearing what you guys are building. Now let's get into the top 5 equalizers that will take your car's audio from average to absolutely incredible. At number 5 is the Boss Audio Systems AV1210 7-band preamp car equalizer. This equalizer features a 7-band graphic EQ that allows precision tuning at 50 Hz, 125 Hz, 315 Hz, 750 Hz, 2.2 kHz, 6 kHz, and 12 kHz for detailed sound shaping, and it includes front, rear, and subwoofer outputs that ensure complete control across all channels. It delivers adjustable input gain controls, dual selectable inputs, and illuminated controls that make nighttime adjustments easier, while also offering a 20 dB boost for added sound depth. What makes the AV1210 stand out is its high value for a low cost, making it perfect for beginners who want richer, cleaner audio without spending a lot. It is best for car owners who want simple multi-band control and better sound separation, especially for stock or mid-level audio systems. The only shortcoming is that the build quality is lighter compared to premium models, but it still delivers excellent performance for the price. Down to number 4 is SoundStorm Laboratories S4EQ4 Band Preamp Car Audio Stereo Equalizer. His equalizer offers 4 adjustable bands at 120 Hz, 1 kHz, 3 kHz, and 12 kHz for streamlined tuning, and it includes front, rear, and subwoofer outputs with independent level controls for personalized sound distribution. The unit is built with a strong preamp output that improves overall system signal and includes dual illumination and fader controls for improved usability. What makes the S4EQ impressive is its simplicity and efficiency, providing clean sound shaping without overwhelming new users, and it's best suited for people who want a compact, easy-to-use equalizer that still noticeably upgrades clarity and mid-range detail. Its limitation is that it only has 4 bands, but even with that, it provides surprisingly powerful tuning for its size. Number 3. Equalizer is the Skar Audio SKA7EQ 7-band 1-2 DIN preamp car audio graphic equalizer. The Skar Audio SKA7EQ 7-band 1-2 DIN preamp car audio graphic equalizer delivers a full 7 bands of control across 50 Hz, 125 Hz, 315 Hz, 750 Hz, 2.2 kHz, 6 kHz, and 16 kHz to fine-tune every part of your music, and it outputs up to 8 volts to your amps for a stronger, cleaner signal. It includes a subwoofer output with level control, multiple selectable inputs, and smooth glide sliders for easy adjustments, along with an elegant illuminated front panel. What makes the SKA7EQ stand out is its clean signal processing and strong build quality, which gives it a premium feel without a premium price. And it's best for audio enthusiasts who want deeper customization and need a powerful preamp output for bigger systems. The one downside is that its half-DIN size may require a specific mounting location, but the performance it delivers makes it absolutely worth it. At number 2 is the Clarion Mobile Electronics MCD360 3-way 6-channel electronic crossover with subwoofer control. This equalizer is designed with precision tuning for advanced systems, offering high-pass, low-pass, and band-pass filters that give complete control over each speaker stage. It features a dedicated subwoofer output with adjustable crossover points and gain controls, and it provides 3 stereo inputs and 6 outputs for full system expansion. What makes the MCD360 exceptional is its audiophile-grade signal processing that eliminates distortion and lets you properly build a multi-speaker or multi-amplifier setup, making it ideal for serious car audio builders who want to tune their system with surgical accuracy. Its limitation is that it is a crossover rather than a band-style equalizer, but its tuning precision and system control make it a must-have for advanced installations. Our number one equalizer is the Clarion EQS755 7-band Car Audio Graphic Equalizer. This equalizer leads the category with 7 precise tuning bands across 50 Hz, 125 Hz, 315 Hz, 750 Hz, 2.2 kHz, 6 kHz, and 12 kHz, combined with front, rear, and subwoofer outputs that provide up to 8 volts of signal for powerful, clean audio amplification. It includes a selectable AUX input, fader control, independent subwoofer volume adjustment, and high-quality sliders with LED illumination for easy visibility. What makes the EQS755 the best overall is its unmatched clarity, extremely low noise output, and reliable build quality, which makes it perfect for both daily drivers and competition-level car audio systems. It is especially great for people who want premium tuning performance without complications. The only minor issue is that it requires proper installation space due to its larger faceplate, but the sound transformation it delivers is absolutely worth it. And that wraps up our review of the top 5 best car audio equalizers, each one designed to give you cleaner sound, harder hitting bass, and full control over your audio the way it should be. No matter which one you choose from this list, you're guaranteed an instant upgrade to your system. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future car audio reviews. And remember, I've placed the best deal links for all the equalizers we covered today right down in the description, so check them out before prices change. Also, don't forget to leave a comment telling me which equalizer you're thinking about getting or what setup you're running right now. I always love hearing what the community is building, and your comment might help someone else decide too. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more sound system guides and reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.